Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teachers, guests and my fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. दियारे इश्क में अपना मकाम पैदा कर, दियारे इश्क में अपना मकाम पैदा कर, नया ज़माना ने सुबह शाम पैदा कर. Pakistan is a young country and the much talked about the change can only be brought if the youth of Pakistan has the will and intention to overshoot their aims. However, the question to ask is, what can the youth do? To answer this, we first need to know who are we, how are we any special, and what qualities do we possess as a nation, and what merit should we acquire? The answer lies in Iqbal Shaheen. Iqbal's encouraging the human that take yourself to the height of glories and do those acts what your God wants you to do. When you become the friend of God, then your God will ask you what you want from me to do for you. Iqbal is saying, don't lose your hope. Develop your standard in the world of madness. You should know that you are rewarded with a bunch of qualities. So create new societies, days and nights. Use your heart, not your brain, to understand the supernatural force that is hidden in yourself in destiny. Iqbal is giving an example of falcon who never feel tired while flying in the air, that make your standard on the peaks of the mountains and never feel tired and keep on struggling. One time you will reach to your destiny and they look their destiny above, up the sky, and nothing is impossible for them. इश्क को फरियाद लाजिम थी सो वो हो चुकी, इश्क को फरियाद लाजिम थी सो वो हो चुकी, अब जरा दिल थाम कर इस फरियाद की तासीर देख. इश्क means the entire philosophy of Iqbal. It is love, help, service and even sacrifice in the sense of sustaining. It is a domination of world control and modification at players of laws of nature and through its attainment of Allah. Thus, it will be seen when Iqbal connects the desire with love, he does not mean the two terms led us to expect. Thank you so much.